Hi everyone, Grandma Lou is back with another quick video on some white bean and veggie soup. I've really been enjoying all these different soups I've been preparing, and this soup star is really the white beans and the veggies. And as you can see here, I have a cup of portobello mushrooms, button mushrooms here. I have 2 carrots chopped. I also have 1 large onion diced and 2 celery stalks. I actually had some celery that I had cut up and frozen, and so I just pulled them out of the freezer. And then I have a half of a summer squash as well as a zucchini here, chopped up. And so we're actually gonna heat up a half a tablespoon of olive oil, and just let the veggies saute. And then after the veggies saute, I will add some seasoning to them. I have 4 garlic cloves. Actually, I'm gonna let the 4 teaspoons of garlic cook in with the veggies, and then I'll add some basil, a tablespoon of basil, and then 1 teaspoon of thyme. Hi everyone, we are back. So the veggies are sauteing. They've sauteed for about 5 to 6 minutes, and they smell so scrumptious. I'm just like, oh, I just love how these veggies are smelling. One thing that I didn't say, I sauteed these veggies in a half a tablespoon of olive oil, but actually you can saute even in vegetable broth. That would be a healthier option. So just wanted to call that out. Now that we have our veggies sauteed here, we're gonna add a tablespoon of the thyme, as well as a tablespoon of the basil, which is here, and then a teaspoon of the thyme. And we're going to just let that cook. And then one other thing that I added was, in a different pot, I drained and rinsed our white cannelli beans, and I've added them to a different stock pot with the vegetable broth. And the vegetable broth is 32 ounces of water, and I added 4 tablespoons of our Better Than Bouillon seasoning. And then in addition, I also added a can of diced tomatoes. Okay, and so now that we've added our basil and thyme, we're going to also add, I have a mixture of kale and chard here, and we're going to just add that and let them cook. Okay everybody, so our super greens have cooked down just extra like 3 to 4 minutes, and so now we're ready to add them to the broth. So we're going to switch out pans here, and I'm just going to pour over again in our 32 ounces of veggie broth and diced tomatoes and cannelli beans. I'm going to pour the veggies over into it so that everything can come together. And again, the veggie broth was made with our Better Than Bouillon season. So for every tablespoon that you use of the Better Than Bouillon, you add it to a cup of water. Okay? And so we're just gonna let this brew and do its thing. Hey y'all, so the soup is done, and I've plated it and let it cool off. Smells so delicious. I can't believe all these beans and greens and tomatoes. I did add a little salt and pepper, just to taste, like a pinch, a little red pepper, just a pinch. But this smells so good, and it's so good for your body. The green leafy vegetables, it has all the vitamins A, K, C, folate, iron. The beans are good for protein as well as fiber. And so you're just getting so much nutrition. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me blow out. You still see the steam? This is it here. This reminds me of my minestrone soup that I made, minus the noodles. And so, just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.